Last week was special. We had a huge milestone, 2,505 robotic cases on the Vinci Robotic System. I've always believed in the use of robotics and technology for microsurgery. My infatuation in microsurgery started about 31 years ago in 1993 when I was an electrical engineer designing chips for computers and testing these chips using microscopes. I went on to complete medical school, urology residency, and then dual fellowships in microsurgery, laparoscopy, and robotics at the Cleveland Clinic. I started the robotics program at the University of Florida in 2007, and we performed our first robotic-assisted microsurgical vasectomy reversal in July of 2007. We successfully completed both simple vasovasostomy and complex vasoepididymostomy procedures. We published the first prospective randomized control study showing advantages to the robotic approach in 2012. In July 2007, we also completed the first successful robotic-assisted microTESE procedure. I was honored to be the course director for the first ever Robotic Microsurgery Course at the AUA in 2008, covering a number of these procedures. In June 2008, we successfully completed our first robotic microsurgical sub-inguinal Varicocelectomy. In October 2008, we successfully completed the first targeted robotic microsurgical denervation of the spermatic cord for chronic pain. In June of 2009, we successfully completed the first ever abdominal microsurgical denervation for chronic pain. This is the first time we'd used this technique for this condition. In 2010, I started the robotics program at Winter Haven Hospital with the University of Florida. In 2011, a small group of microsurgeons, including me, from around the world started RAMSES, a society focused on promoting robotic assistance for microsurgical procedures. In 2013, I started the Pure Clinic with Dr. Jamin Brahmbhatt. In 2013, we collaborated with Tulane University and performed the first ever intra-abdominal robotic microsurgical vasectomy reversal. This is a unique approach where we can use a robot to go inside the abdomen to do a vasectomy reversal. We also developed the robotic microsurgical trans-scrotal neurolysis and Varicocelectomy procedures in 2017. In November of 2020, I started Avant Concierge Urology. At Avant, we developed the office-based 3D VITOM-assisted microsurgical vasectomy reversal, denervation of the spermatic cord, microTESE, and Varicocelectomy procedures. In September 2023, we collaborated with Dr. Sergey Kravchick and developed the office-based 3D VITOM-assisted microsurgical posterior scrotal denervation procedure for chronic pain. I was honored to be selected to be part of the AUA Guidelines Committee in 2024 to help develop the chronic pelvic pain treatment guidelines. We have now completed over 1,500 office-based 3D VITOM-assisted procedures, bringing our grand total to over 4,000 microsurgical, robotic, and 3D VITOM-assisted cases. The future dream is potentially the use of the Symani robotic microsurgical system in the office setting to bring robotics to the office. You only achieve in proportion to what you attempt, and dreams do come true. A word of thanks most importantly to many, too numerous to list, who have helped me. I would not be here without you. Thank you.